Good afternoon to all the students. Yes, so today lecture is regarding remedial biology. Okay, so first of all, Tejas sir take this subject, and then after I will continue the remedial biology subject, and Tejas sir is continue your human anatomy and pathophysiology subject. Okay, and it is regarding the your remedial biology subject syllabus, including the same as compared with human anatomy and physiology. Okay, so already this topic, the cell and cell division topic is already covered in the human anatomy physiology, but again I start with this cell. Okay, and then after cell division, and then new topic which continue. Okay, if you having any query, any doubt, please tell me in chat box. Put your message in chat box. Okay, everyone. Yes, good morning, Ashra. Good morning, Priyanka. And good afternoon to all. Okay. Okay. So, yes, continue with this again, the topic. Okay. Yes, PPT is properly visible to all. Please tell me. Screen sharing is visible to all. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Yes, okay. So first of all, cell. I know mainly the list of content, including the first cell, introduction and the discovery, then composition of the cell. Okay. First of all, a cell, it is mainly the Latin name, it is cella, it is meaning a small room-like structure. Mainly the basic unit and their function, it is including the first structural moiety, development of this structure, regarding the new cell development and the organelles, and build up the tissue, functioning and biological unit. It is all known as living organism, including the cell. Then cell, it is regarding smallest unit of life, and it is also replicate independently, and it is also called the building block of life. Building block of life, regarding the mainly the one cell is regarding the growth, the new multiple cells, and then tissue forming. Okay, then after the organ, and then human body. So it is a cell, it is unit of life, and the study of cell is called the cell biology. Mainly discovery of the cell, it is the 1665 Robert Hooke. It is the who discovered the cell. Okay, it is a discovered Robert Hooke in 1665, the discovery of the cell. So this is the important scientist name, Robert Hooke, 1665 discovery of the cell. Okay. Next, there are the two types of the cell, mainly eukaryote and prokaryotic cell. that the in which mainly the nucleus progress does not, including in the eukaryotics, and prokaryotes, including the do not having nucleus. So prokaryotes are the single-celled organism, also says, and eukaryotes either be single or multicellular organism. Mainly cell consist of cytoplasm enclosing within a membrane bound, and also some biomolecules containing the many, such as example like protein and nucleic acid. Normally, the size of the cell in between is 10 to 100 micron. Normally, the size is the approximate between 10 to 100 micron in size. So this is the structure moiety regarding the introduction part about the cell. Then we move on about next topic is organelles. Organelles are mainly the parts carry with the more the vital function regarding the inside the cells contain multiple parts of the organelles found out regarding the example human body. So human body including the many organs. Okay, and include yes, one more. This session is only for farm B farm and farm D both of us. Okay, Ashra. It is a farm D in B farm also both the student at to be attend this session. Okay. Yes. Any more question from anyone? Okay. Yes. Continue regarding example like in human body the organ including the such as heart, lungs, kidney are performing the different functions. So it is including the organelles including the human body. There are several types organelles including the cell. Example like this one, it is mainly the nucleus, Golgi apparatus, and then many mitochondria, chloroplast, peroxisome, lysosome, and numerous hundreds of the organelles including in the cell. Okay, this is the here. Is this one. Then after cytosol, it is mainly gelatinous fluid that fill the surrounding organelles. So it is like a cytosol. It is gelatinous fluid that fill with the surrounding the organelles in the cells. So this is the image I share with you. The cell, including the first pinocytic vesicle. It is regarding also a transport mechanism system. Okay, in the vesicle mediated transport. Okay, then lysosome, Golgi apparatus, rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is a surface. It is regarding the ribosome present. So it is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then another one, including is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, including the no ribosome. Find out. Next is the cell membrane. This one is the outer layer. Mitochondria. It is also called as is regarding powerhouse of cell. Then Golgi apparatus. Okay, nucleolus. It is the inside the nucleus. Okay, then after outer wall is regarding the nuclear membrane also says. Then at the two centriole, each centriole is composed of microtubules regarding the triplet. It is mainly function. It is cell division in the metaphase and after the anaphase. Okay, metaphase anaphase. The microtubules is the main function regarding the centrioles, and microtubules also function. Ribosome are to be the two types regarding to the subunits, 30S units and 70S unit. So this is the ribosome during the protein synthesis process, useful, and cell division. Okay, and they're mainly the protein synthesis also using up. So this is the all over the organelles in the cells. One by one, we discussion with this organelles. Inside mainly the first one, it is cell membrane. Okay, first one is regarding the cell membrane. Cell membrane, including first, it is the biological membrane also say, and it is surrounding the cytoplasm of the cell. Mostly, it is made up of the double layers of phospholipids containing the cholesterol lipids. Okay, then carbohydrate containing parts, lipids parts, phospholipids containing fat soluble. So it is mainly double layers of the cell membrane. Yes, question. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is change of the Yes, Tejas sir is taking your subject is human anatomy physiology, and I take your subject animal biology because there is some load adjustment. Okay, okay. So then after continue, I take your subject regarding remedial biology, and Tejas sir is continuously with human anatomy and physiology. Okay. Yes. So this is the mainly the double layers of the phospholipids, and mainly the protect of the cell around the mainly the regarding the protection of the environment, regarding any foreign body in the bacteria virus entering into the cell. The first protection layer is regarding the cell membrane. Next, it is regarding the cell nucleus. Cell nucleus, it is regarding mainly it is a cell information center. A cell is the main genetic material transformation system, new protein synthesis in the nucleus. So there are to be the genetic material chromosome, DNA, RNA replication. But is it is mainly the first center and replicate the new cells division information center. So it is regarding cells. It is a cell information center. It is home of chromosome. Also, it is on the DNA replication, deoxy ribonucleic acid, okay, and ribonucleic acid. So it's a DNA and RNA synthesis transcription process in the cell nucleus. Mainly, cell nucleus have to be the spherical, safe protector from the cytoplasm by the double membrane. It is including a cell envelope. So cell envelope, it is again nuclear envelope. It is a bounded with the cell nucleus. So it is mainly cell envelope, cell membrane. It is also this nucleus membrane says. It is spherical, separated from the cytoplasm nucleus. Inside it is look at the nucleolus. Nucleolus, it is mainly a specialized region within the nucleus and where the ribosome subunit are to be the assembled. Meaning it is again nucleolus, the within the nucleus where ribosome also subunit are assembled in the form with the protein synthesis, DNA replication through ribosome work the nucleolus. Next one, mitochondria. Mitochondria mainly is powerhouse of cell, and it is also generate the ADP energy, and it is self-replicating organelles inside the cell. Mainly, it is respiration through work in the cell mitochondria, which generate the energy, and by respiration through it is oxidative phosphorylation. Oxidative phosphorylation, the oxygen are to be the using with the help of energy, and they're stored in the cellular nutrients regarding the glucose storage, and to generate after oxygen due to oxidative phosphorylation to generate the ATP. The ATP regarding the adenosine triphosphate. Mitochondria multiply by binary fusion. Uh, Binary fusion regarding the same, regarding the vector fusion and vector replication. So binary fusion is the 1 into 2 dividation through binary fusion, and also likely same prokaryotes. So this is the your mitochondria organelles, powerhouse of cell. Next one, it is including the endoplasmic reticulum. This one. So mainly endoplasmic reticulum, uh, yes, it is two network of there is a two side. Endoplasmic reticulum is divided into two way. First way, it is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Second, it is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So first rough endoplasmic reticulum, including the surface, their attachment and secret of the protein, which is a ribosome containing. Okay, so it is a ribosome contain on its surface. So it is rough endoplasmic reticulum, and that secret the protein. Okay, and then another one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So smooth endoplasmic reticulum, including the lack of ribosome, and it is mainly role of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is storage of the calcium store and release. So it is useful in the muscle contraction and calcium releasing process, calcium ion releasing process, including in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next, this one, yes, is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, mainly it is function to packaging of the process regarding packaging regarding the storage and synthesis regarding the macromolecules, protein, lipids are synthesized by these cells. So it is mainly process and packaging area regarding the Golgi apparatus. Also storage for in the macromolecules protein storing Golgi apparatus regarding the process of packaging. Next one, including the lysosome. Lysosome, it is mainly contained in the digestive enzyme in which there is an example like acid hydrolase enzyme. Mainly lysosome, it is mainly functional regarding example is here digestive nucleic acid, polysaccharides, fats, protein. But mainly the lysosome work is digest the macromolecules and then it's by oven itself, oven enzyme through which lead to oven itself cells regarding the nucleic acid, polysaccharide, fats, protein are to be the uh, breakdown now regarding the small cells are to be the damage by its own self or by own enzyme and which lead to cell death. So also it is also called process of own self are to be the damage by its own enzyme. So it is process called autolysis again self degradation and self denaturation process regarding the autolysis. So also lysosome is also another name is called as regarding as a suicidal web. Okay, so it is mainly digestion enzyme by hydrolyzed to macromolecules, nucleic acid, polysaccharide, proteins are to be the digest by the lysosome and it's owned by its own self and own enzyme. So also it could be death of the lysosome and with the digestion enzyme are to be the use regarding the acid hydrolyze and it is processed for autoanalysis and mainly lysosome also called is as a suicidal bag. Next one is the vacuoles and ribosome. Vacuoles, it is mainly organelles in the cell. It is store of waste product, and in plant cells also storing the same water reservoir function. Also, it is liquefied fills space inside the outer side of the cell membrane surrounded by the membrane of the cell membrane. The cell coat of the vacuoles are to be the store of the waste product in the cells and plant cells it is store of the water. Second one, ribosome. So ribosome it is large complex of the RNA and protein molecules and each contain the two subunits. Mainly it is assembled with the RNA containing the with the help also it is tRNA, transfer RNA, messenger RNA. So it is regarding the two subunits part also say 30S ribosome and 70S ribosome. So it is two part 30S ribosome and 70S ribosome. Mainly it is useful during the process of the DNA replication, RNA transforming, synthesize the protein from amino acid. So it is really ribosome work. So this is the image. This image is mainly including the overview regarding the biology, regarding the some function in the exoskeletal and appendicular skeletal and exoskeletal regarding the bone side. So it is just for your kind information. You must all this image related your subject and also covered in the human anatomy physiology. So it is taken by the uh, Tejas sir. Okay, so this is one I put for your knowledge. Yes, Victor, yes, you can also ask question. Yes, yes, put your question in chat box. Okay, okay, okay. On. Yes, yes, yes. Wait 1 minute. Yes, your question is regarding the organelles of the mitochondria is do not entering into mitosis meiosis, but it is also self-replicating against the own itself. It is including in the self binary fusion. Binary fusion is same undergo same copies are to be the formation. It is division regarding the half, and it is again asexual reproduction. Okay, regarding the single-celled prokaryotes like organism, like amoeba. And yes, 1 minute. Yes, I add this. Okay, we know. Yes, I will add you. Yes, Victoria, it is including mainly the mitochondrial. It is regarding the amoeba like it is reproduce itself, and regarding the binary fusion. And mitochondria does not requirement any the mitosis and meiosis process. It is a whole cell self division replication process. Mitochondria undergo it is mainly requirement of mitochondrial DNA. Okay, it is again the self-replication process, and according with the protein involving the mitochondria requiring the process of the ATP itself, energy itself development. So no more any requirement for the diffusion. Okay, you get my point, Victor? Yes, yes, yes. It is only replicating. Yes, mitochondria. Yes. Yes. Any more question, dear student? Just for wait minute. I take your attendance. Okay. Yes. So yes. Any more question, everyone? Wait for 1 minute for put your question in chat box. Yes, Deepika, I share you. Yes, yes. Also, I share we post these session videos, and in also group in the chat in the WhatsApp group and Canvas also. Okay, Deepika, I also publish this session recording and PDF files and PPT also share within Canvas also, and WhatsApp group also. And yes, Victor, yes, one more. I also answered this question regarding self-replicating. Self-replicating including the mainly the mitochondria own itself replicating process. Okay, in the body, but also one more found is in the chloroplast. Chloroplast is in the cell energy synthesized from the sun. So it is also in the plant also. So it is also it is chloroplast also. It is self-replicating the organelles. Okay. No, no, Deepika, I also the another one I post also I add this session in remedial biology course, and I also announcement regarding the WhatsApp group in the biology materials also. But yes, I also this cover up in the human anatomy, but again I revise the topic in the first starting with this. Okay, and later cell division completion after we new topic regarding the blood chapter. Okay, in your syllabus regarding the blood and their composition and then function and blood group are to be start after completion of the cell division. Okay. So it is remedial biology is a different syllabus as compared you to your human anatomy and physiological subject. So it is only the one topic is common regarding the cell and cell division. So again, I teach you regarding this way, and then after a new topic regarding the blood function in their composition and ABO blood group. Okay. Yes. Any more question? Ahmad, it is regarding it is first year first session for you. Am I right? Okay. Okay, sir. Yes. Okay. Wait for 1 minute. I take your attendance one more time. Yes. Yes. Okay. So thank you for everyone. Next lecture, we continue regarding the cell cycle and cell division, and then after new topics. Okay. And I think from your side, it is also cell division and cell cycle also cover up in the human anatomy and physiology. So already I teach you regarding the complete session, but again I will tell you regarding the cell division process, regarding the phases of prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, and cell cycle, including the interphase. Okay, so next lecture we continue about the cell cycle, and then after new topics is a different one in your remedial biology tape. Okay, so thank you for everyone. In the next lecture, we continue about the cell division. Yes. Yes. More any question from your side, dear student? Please put your question, put your query in chat box. Please reply me in chat box, everyone. If you having any kind of doubt, any kind of question, any query regarding remedial biology subject, okay, please answer me, everyone. Okay, Victor, thank you. Thank you, Tipiska. Yes, also Ahmed, you can also ask question. Yes, Ahmed, Ashraf, Climate, Priyanka. Okay, Ismail, thank you. Yes. Okay, everyone. Okay. Thank you, Priyanka. Yes. So from my side, I end the meeting. Next lecture, we continue about this. Primitive biology is also take by me every the all the year. Okay, and Tejas series continue with your human anatomy and physiology subject. So thank you for everyone. From my side, I end the meeting, and also I share with you material in the Canvas and WhatsApp group. Okay, sure. Thank you for everyone.